we just reacted to the album trailer. Now let's check out the lead single, The Sound, by Stray Kids. We got some English lyrics. We got the Romaji. And we even got the, oh, wait. This is going to be katakana because it's in Japanese. I was about to say in Korean, but I'm very wrong. I'm very dumb. Oh, this is the beat we heard in most of the trailer. Or all the trailer, I don't know. Okay, we got some standard K-pop rap, but with a little bit more energy than I feel like they usually do. I feel like this beat is kind of way too bare bones. I know it's gonna get crazy later, but I don't really feel this beat, to be honest. It's just very basic. But I know it's gonna get better. I'm not mad at it. We gotta give it a little bit more time, but I'm still on the fence. It's definitely the best part so far. Yeah, the second verse overall is way better than the first. I do kind of like the drums on the hook though. I think it would be pretty sick to listen to this live. What game is this? Does it say I'm playing a game right now? Oh, it says I'm just chatting. Oh, because I have the gaming tag. I forgot to take it off. My fault. Look, man. I be gaming sometimes. I'll take it off. No, I won't. Look, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, kind of like this. Oh. This part's promising as well. I like that flow. What? Oh. Really? Really? Someone banned you for that? That's crazy. Look, I ain't someone to talk about other streamers like that. That's kind of crazy though. That's kind of fucking crazy. That's funny. Look, man, you have my condolences. Just don't be an idiot. Look, I'm kidding. I'm literally kidding. I want to listen to that last part again because I feel like it might have been a little unnecessary to do all that, but it could be cool. But I want to give it to you. I'm talking about this specifically with the deep voice thing. Although I do think the production, like with the whole whoa in the background and all that, and the obviously the steady beat coming up to the fucking hook and all that, it's pretty solid. So I'm not mad at that. I like it. I just think the worst part is literally the start. Hook is nothing offensive, listenable for sure. And yeah, we welcome. Do you welcome non-idiots? Well, I welcome both. As an idiot myself, I think it's actually like illegal for me to not let idiots in. Speaking of illegal, okay, I was gonna make a joke. But I also don't want to get a strike on my YouTube channel. I was a joke about myself, okay? Damn. I think there's definitely one that will grow in the future. That was the end of the song, right? Some random fucking Skrillex comes in at the end. I think there's definitely be one that will grow over time because it is like one of those more hype tracks, which, I mean, it is the opening single, lead single, opening song, whatever you want to call it. And what was I gonna say? I didn't hate it for the first listen. I just do think it's definitely one of their weaker ones overall. But I do think it's got its moments. It's definitely got its moments. Shout out Stray Kids. Excited for the album. Let's.